Today I'll unbox my new keyboard. Its packing is very decent and very simple. First of all, yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, my old keyboard is very good to me, but this new one is very best for me. Let's see, it's a manual. Oh, it's a user manual over here. Okay. Therefore, now see some barcodes here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, really bullshit. Really, it's very ridiculous. Oh, what? It's yes.